Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Take a minute to subscribe and like the video and also hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our diet tips for losing weight, pushing your energy to the max, and getting information on how to boost your nutrition every single day. I'll be the first to admit that I used to skip breakfast regularly. It just didn't seem important. Boy, was I wrong. Did you know that skipping breakfast could cause significant overeating and excess snacking throughout the rest of your day? Eating a healthy breakfast sets the stage for the rest of your day. The choices you make at breakfast can give you the long-lasting energy you need to have a pleasant day full of healthy choices. So what exactly goes into a healthy breakfast? A well-balanced and energy-packed breakfast will contain fiber, protein, and carbohydrates to keep you fueled until your next meal. Before you reach for the Pop-Tarts, Frosted Flakes, or smother your cinnamon raisin bagel in flavored cream cheese, remember to be conscious of your sugar intake. If your breakfast has more than 5 grams of sugar in it, you may want to reconsider your choices. Consuming too much sugar first thing in the morning can cause a nasty energy crash later in the day, which will leave you reaching for the Tylenol and wondering if you can sneak in a nap at your desk without anyone noticing. Here are some healthy, nutritious, and energy-packed suggestions to help you get your day off on the right foot. Number 1. Oatmeal. When I say oatmeal, I mean plain oats, not instant, not flavored, just plain. Steel-cut oats are simply quick and healthy without the added sugar of the most popular breakfast cereals. Plus, the healthy carbs first thing in the morning will help you feel full all the way until lunch. Flavor them for yourself by adding berries, honey, or agave, peanut butter, cocoa powder, or a banana. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a low-calorie and high-protein option to fuel your day. Much like oatmeal, eggs are an incredibly diverse staple in your morning meal. Scrambled, hard-boiled, poached, or pan-fried with olive oil or a calorie-free cooking spray. It's hard to go wrong with eggs. Worried about your cholesterol? Try exchanging egg whites for 2/3 of the egg in your dish. For example, scramble 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg instead of 3 whole eggs. This way, you'll get all the flavor and all of the protein and less of the cholesterol. Number 3. Whole wheat breads. English muffins, waffles, toasts, bagels. This is where some of the old familiar breakfast favorites make an appearance. Remember to be cautious of your sugar intake though, as most processed breakfast breads contain much more sugar than is wise first thing in the morning. Why whole wheat? Whole wheat is less refined than white bread, and thereby retains much more of its fiber and nutrients than the white bread alternatives of the same food. What you top these foods with counts too. Avoid high sugar syrups, jellies, and unhealthy fats like butter and some cream cheese brands. Try adding avocado on your bagel, or a little agave and cinnamon on your waffle instead. For improving your concentration at work and at studies, try NutrioPack Neuro Brain Blast and Focus, a premium supplement to help you focus more on what matters and to be more productive. For more information, visit www.nutriopack.com. Now let's continue. Number 4. Almond butter. Almond butter is an excellent option for protein and healthy fats for those of you who may not eat eggs or other dairy products. Almond butter pairs wonderfully with apple slices and bananas, or as a spread on your favorite whole wheat breakfast bread of choice. Number 5. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and veggies bring a variety and flavor to any breakfast. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that do nothing but good for your body. Their natural sweetness can help to soothe your taste buds, particularly if you're used to sugary cereals or pastries first thing in the morning. Try making a smoothie with strawberries, watermelon, pineapple, a few ice cubes, and water for a delicious and refreshing kickstart to your day. Not interested in a sweet breakfast but still want some flavor in your first meal? Veggies are just as interchangeable in your breakfast menu as fruits. Bell peppers, carrots, spinach, onions, and mushrooms all make phenomenal additions to omelets, scrambled eggs, or breakfast quiches and casseroles. Avocado makes a wonderful spread on toast or bagels, and tastes wonderful with a few slices of turkey bacon on top. Breakfast tastes great. It makes you feel great, and a healthy breakfast gives you a positive start to the rest of your day. It really is the most important meal of the day. Hey guys, We hope you enjoyed all of the content that you just watched, and if you want more content like this, then make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any diet tips, fitness related nutrition, and so much more. We'll see you in the next video.